You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Really a bit confusing word, but it's actually pretty easy once you know. So let's break it down. Stream. You could essentially spell it S-T-R-E-E, so replace the E-A in the middle, which is confusing, with a double E, a long E sound. Stream. Yes, just like a stream of water. Water. Stream. Stream. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.